Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 29th. We're in the second last trading day for the month itself, and the time right now in Singapore is 9 o'clock in the morning. And overnight, we have a central bankers meeting at a forum in which all central banks appears to be pretty hawkish, in my opinion, with the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell stating that he cannot rule out a further rate hikes going into next month's FOMC, which will start between July 25th to 26th. He also did not rule out the likelihood of 2 consecutive rate hikes going into the rest of the year. So that is pretty hawkish. And of course, we also have the European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde also parroting the same hawkishness. I think in Europe, they are more concerned about the wage spiral going on, and she also does not rule out the possibility of another hike going into their next ECB meeting. So all central banks seems to be renewing their hawkishness in the face of very, very sticky inflation. So today we want to see what impact it may have on the currency market, in particularly the euro versus the dollar. Now, despite all the hawkishness, the euro dollar actually slipped. Now, when we look at the chart here, we do see a completion of a 5-wave rally from the low of 106.33 back in the early part of June. And this is the 5-wave rally that actually ended last week at 110.12. And then that actually, after that move, the market actually came down quite aggressively to 108.44 within a span of 24 hours before rebounding back to 109.77 at the start of the week itself. So now we can see the prices are beginning to slip. So this leaves the idea that after the completion of a 5-wave rally, the market right now is doing a corrective pattern, pulling back. And if this corrective pattern ends in a very simple ABC move, it suggests that the high at 110.12 may actually evolve into a 3-wave decline all the way targeting 108.10 levels. So that is, I think the market is expecting this particular move here. So if this decline pans out, this will be and a chance to basically look for further decline going to the 108.10 to 107.70 levels. So do watch out for this development here. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow.